Hey folks, Buffalo Thief here. I'm out with the Zenkahuna on a Super Sunday and we're doing what he calls the Gauntlet workout, where we start here on our deck and head up the road using the gear on the way. Let's see what it looks like.
So Margaret's using a 12-pound hammer on this one, alternating.
That felt good. Nice warm up. Let's throw some Steelbells.
So Mark is using an underhand throw for these. Again, they're the 5-pound Steelbells. May not sound like much, but when you start throwing these puppies around after you've been sledgehammering, you feel it. Also a nice grip workout.
It's all in the release.
It's all about the release. There you go. All right.
Do a little steel shot.
So Mark is using a 12-pound steel shot through the legs and then uppercut. This is a great one for coordination, full body engagement. Now she's doing the double pop. Nice little medley of movements.
Whew. All right.
Looking good.
Now I got some Sandbag. I'll do a little wrestler's move.
Wrestler's move. Here we go.
Check out the rope.
Okay, a weighted short power rope. Move just a little to your left. There you go. This is a great move. Chest and shoulder, you get the abdominals involved, the low back, getting some leg drive going on.
God bless symmetry. Do the other side.
The great thing about running the Gauntlet is that it just keeps building and you're using so much diversity. It's outstanding. Good form.
All right. Okay, what else we got? Try a little KB.
Okay, kettlebell snatch. And in case you're wondering, we do change the weights so that each person is doing a weight that's appropriate to their strength and current juiciness for the day. So for example, we dropped down here to 90 pounds for the Buffalo Thief. Nothing slouchy about dragging 90 pounds. She's good at growling. She's a growler. What you can see is she's using good form, using her legs, getting those lats involved.
All right, call that round one.